It's really important that you understand the different types of users on your EzyCourse platform, and you can find those in the All Users section. Now, it's also important to understand that different user types have to have a different email address. So if you want a student and an admin account, those have to be different email addresses. And the reason for that is the EzyCourse platform is smart enough to recognize what type of user is logging in and therefore knows which features to present to them. And it's uniquely by the email address. Student users are users of the EzyCourse platform. They're the consumers of all of your various different products, your courses, your communities, and your resources. And those are student accounts. Now, you can also have developer accounts, and this might be people that you want to be able to access the web builder to develop your web pages and change some of the copy on your web pages. It might be a marketing assistant or an administrator that you might have working with you. Sometimes the EzyCourse team develop web pages on behalf of clients. It's a service they offer, a very recommended service. And very often you might set them up as a developer on your account to help you build your web pages. Teachers are tutors, instructors of your courses. So these are people that might be involved in teaching subjects on your EzyCourse platform. They might be facilitating different courses, communities, and that sort of thing. And you want them to be able to access the teacher functions for the courses that they're working with. Revenue partners, really interesting concept. You might have people that, let's say, are involved in creating a course on your platform, and you have a deal with them where you want to share some of the revenue with them. And in the revenue partners section of the EzyCourse platform is where you can set those people up and choose what commission they get and all of that sort of thing. And then finally, you've got site admins. Site admins are people that can access all of the admin features of your platform. They can see all of the information, all of the courses, all of the data, and they're the administrators of the site. And certainly as a business owner, you'll want to be one of those. So you can find all of those different user types in the All Users section of the EzyCourse dashboard.